price of XRP is going up very fast. We can see the growth as fast as any other coin on the market. This kind of growth is not seen since Elon Musk announced that he is going to accept Bitcoin for buying Tesla. We know what happened with that, of course, but that is just using an analogy here, because the growth is tremendous. Today we're going to talk about the possible destiny for XRP and the time frame where this might happen. We are going to present to you the best analysis for this coin, and we are going to try to predict what might happen and when this might be done. We're going to talk about all the new stuff related with the lawsuit, and we're going to go deeper into the statements of the most important people in this field. What is their opinion on the lawsuit, and what they think is going to be the outcome? First, we're going to start with the new things related with the SEC and the lawsuit. There are some very interesting things going on there, and it is becoming quite interesting to follow this case closely. Recently, the famous attorney Jeremy Hogan tweeted to Gary Gensler. Of course, Gary did not respond, but anyways, this tweet caused a lot of interest in the community. The tweet is going like this: Dear Gary Gensler, we know you understand Ethereum very well. We also understand you recently said that US securities laws are very clear. Therefore, the millions of Americans who own Ether would like to know the answer to a simple question. Is Ether a security? Yes or no? Gary did not respond, but the commissioner of the CFTC did respond this one, and he said, a futures contract on a security is in both the SEC and CFTC's jurisdiction. A futures contract on a pure commodity is only in the CFTC's jurisdiction. There is currently a futures contract on ETH. It is only under the CFTC's purview, which makes ETH a non-security commodity. This is a claim and continuation of what he said last week that SEC has no authority under the XRP. Gensler is a very experienced man from Wall Street, with government regulation and with teaching about cryptocurrencies at very well-known university, MIT. Most of the well-informed in the crypto community believe that his appointment as the SEC chair would be good news for the industry. The industry for cryptos and digital assets has struggled around regulatory frameworks, and the former head of the SEC, Jack Clayton, had been known to justify his actions against cryptocurrency proposals. Hogan added that Gensler is very well informed about Ethereum, given his background. Therefore, the attorney asked for a clear answer regarding the status of Ether. The SEC chair previously said that XRP and Ether could be classified as non-compliant securities. As we already mentioned, CFTC Commissioner answered on this, saying that the SEC and his agency both share responsibility for the regulation of futures contracts on securities. The Commissioner Quintez clarified that there is currently a futures contract on Ether. Therefore, it is only under the CFTC's purview, which makes ETH a non-security commodity, said the commissioner. On this, Jeremy Hogan had another comment and additional question. Hogan maybe felt that he is asking very logical questions, and that is why kind of is pushing it. He said, "Thank you, Commissioner Quintez, for a clear and concise response. What a breath of fresh air." Like his response below, and let him know if you appreciate it. Also, does anyone know if there is currently a futures contract on the XRPL? I am just a lowly lawyer. So here you go. This is something that the XRP community is claiming for months now. Since December, most of the community is saying that it is not possible for XRP to be a security if the Ethereum or Bitcoin is not a security. So the commissioner from the CFTC said that they have the jurisdiction over the cryptocurrencies, and at the same time, he is saying that Ethereum is not a security and is a commodity. So we have a very puzzling situation here for sure. So, all of this information is somehow pushing the price of XRP higher on the market. We can see that there is a lot of news related to this thing, and a lot of new things are going on. But most of the information are in favor of XRP. Because if the officials are confirming that Ethereum is not a security, then probably the XRP is not as well. Before going into the price of XRP, we have a very important information about you crypto enthusiasts. We wanted to mention this quick information about Cardano. If you haven't noticed, Cardano ADA is going up strongly. Actually, it is approaching its all-time high. And this is great for the holders of this coin. If you are not following the charts on the regular basis, you should know that Cardano ADA is pumping really hard, and it caught our attention for sure. The price went so high as the blockchain's chief developer announced a September release date for the planned Alonzo upgrade, a move that would usher in smart contract functionality and thus address what critics have described as one of the network's most glaring deficiencies. This technology, or better said functionality with the smart contracts, can allow Cardano to incorporate more applications, including so-called decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms that allow for automated cryptocurrency lending and trading. The improvement could put the network in a better position to challenge Ethereum, currently the leader among blockchain with smart contract functionality. Nigel Hemsley, one of the most important figures for Cardano, said in a quick video release that the platform would launch the Alonzo upgrade on Monday, September 12th, though a quick glance at the calendar shows that the date falls on a Sunday this year. The developer later tweeted again, saying that the platform targeted simply September 12th for the upgrade. If you own Cardano, this might be very good news for you. But to be fair and realistic, the true fans of Ethereum do not believe much in Cardano ADA, and they are saying that the Cardano is kind of a failed project. We don't qualify any coin as a failed project, and personally, we recommend holding multiple coins. Most of the advisors are even saying that you should not put all of your money in one coin only. You know what they say, don't put all the eggs in one basket. So, if you are able to hold more coins over a longer period of time, those coins might gain bigger value. Speaking of value, let's speak about XRP's value. Let's get back to our main hero of the story. If you look on the technical terms, there are some Fibonacci levels that might hit, and XRP is going to hit some other resistance levels where it's going to find support. At the time of writing this video, XRP is trading for $1.18. It was on $1.35. The next levels that we are going to reach probably are going to be $1.60 or $1.85. Some of the predictions are saying that the next resistance levels are going to be even $2 or $2.50. We are talking about very near future. We looked up in a detailed technical analysis, and according to the charts and statistics, the price of $2.50 is likely to be reached in the next 1 or 2 weeks from now. If you consider the fact that XRP was below 50 cents just 3 weeks ago, probably this kind of numbers sound so unrealistic to you. And most of the skeptics are saying this because yes, we have a bull market, but we are not seeing the same amount of growth from Bitcoin or Ethereum. But what is interesting is that XRP is doing much more growth even right now. If you look at the charts in the last 2 weeks, let's say, you are going to see that XRP has a growth of more than 100%, and that is not the case in any of the leading cryptos on the market. So there might be 2 reasons for this. The first one is that we are going to witness one of the biggest bull runs for XRP by the end of this year. XRP might reach all-time highs, and from there to become more stable. The other one is that there is a settlement between XRP and SEC. There are several videos online where people are claiming that the settlement is here. And we as well analyzed this possibility in some of our previous videos. This of course is a huge possibility, and if this thing happens, we definitely are sure that this will influence the price in a huge amount. But please, consider this as speculation for now. Nonetheless, even if this is just a speculation, is helping a lot in the price of XRP. In our previous videos, we would, let's say, warn you that this will happen with XRP. Maybe in the comments, most of you were skeptics. But as now, you can see the price of this coin went more than 100% up. We always back up our information by scientific data and good analysis. That is why most of the predictions are becoming true. So, the next reasonable price rise might be $2 or $2.50. There are predictions that are saying that the price is going to be from $200 to $500. Well, that is really too optimistic. We have seen them, and yes, those are based on some theories, and the price might be realistic, but maybe none can hold the XRP that much. We are not suggesting any investment, and you should always check multiple sources before investing in crypto. What we are trying to do is reveal and give you as much as possible for your better informed decision. We are doing a research that is going on for hours. Please respect that and give us subscribe so we can push forward the video. It costs you nothing. See you in the next one.